So, hey everyone, it is Thursday morning, November 5th. Let's get going with this spiral review and DMR. I'm pretty confident you've got this down now. Okay, in our addition box, we are solving for n, the unknown. We have 826 plus 400 something 8, and our sum is 1,294. Now remember, we can use the inverse operation to figure out what n is. So I'm going to take 1,294. I'm going to take what I know, 826. I'm going to use that inverse operation of subtraction and solve. I'm going to have to borrow from my 9. I now have 14 ones. Take away 6 is 8. 8 take away 2 is 6. I cannot do 2 take away 8, so I'm going to borrow from my thousands. I now have 12 hundreds. 12 minus 8 is 4. So when I compare my difference to the number, I see that I am missing the number 6. Therefore, n equals 6. Now don't forget, I'm not looking for the actual full number of 468. All I want to know is what is n. All right, let's jump over to subtraction. Super easy. We're borrowing across zeros. I'm going to take 5 ones minus 9. I can't do it. So I come over to the tens place. Nothing to borrow, so I got to do some more running and run over to the hundreds. When I borrow 100, I'm left with 6. I bring that 100 over, and I now have 10 tens. But I still have to borrow for my ones, so I'm going to borrow a 10 from my ones. They now have 9 tens. I bring that 10 over, and now I have 15 ones. 15 take away 9 is 6. 9 take away 6 is 3, and 6 take away 3 is 3. So my difference is 336. All right, if you don't have these by now, you best be making yourself some flashcards because you need to know them. 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 7 is 49. 8 times 7 is 56. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 4 is 28. 10 times 7 is 70. 7 times 1 is 7. 2 times 7 is 14. 5 times 7 is 35. 7 times 9 is 63. And we know anything times 0 is 0. Hopefully those are easy breezy for you now. Let's do our division. This is week 3, I think, doing dividing by 3. We need to master this week, folks. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 3 divided by 0 is 0. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. And 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now remember, if you really get stuck on these, you can use that inverse operation. So if I'm looking at what is 27 divided by 3? Well, my answer that I don't know is n, but I know that 3 times something equals 27. Well, I know 3 times 9 equals 27, so that's what my 9 is. That's what my answer is. Alrighty, Thursday, November 5th, daily math review. We are going to use base 10 blocks to multiply. First thing I'm going to do is see how many equal groups. Well, I've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I've got 4 equal groups. Now I need to see how many are in each group. I know that one column is worth 10. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Let's double check to make sure. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So yes, there are 4 groups of 60. Now, what I know about multiplying by multiples of 10, I can multiply my whole numbers. 4 times 6 is 24. I've got 1 0. Bring that over, which means 4 times 60 is 240. Alrighty, folks, that's it. You're done. So we will see you for spiral review and DMR tomorrow.